Here's a tutorial in Premiere Pro 2019 on how to loop the playback of the video. So first of all, let's add the loop button here. Press this plus button editor. Okay, and this is the loop playback. Drag that one and drop it here. Okay, close this window with OK. Now we have to enable this one. When it's blue, it's enabled. Now it's disabled, so click on it and make it blue. Okay, and position the cursor from where to start looping and press the letter I from input. Okay, go to another location and there press O from output. So input and output, letter I and letter O. Now press the play button and it should loop. Okay, and if the sound is not correct, then you should stop it and start it once again. Let's see if I can find one of those points. I go to another location and O and play it. Yes, so as you can hear, in the beginning there is no sound. I just stopped it with the same button and started again. And now the sound is okay, it's not interrupted. Okay, here's another thing. If, let's say, you pressed accidentally I and O in the same place and you kept it looping, then if you start the playback, nothing will work. If you made an I and O outside there, then it will not play. So make sure you're not creating those points in one single point and looping is enabled, because the playback will not work. Remove that one and then it will play. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.